Hello my dear students, I hope all of you are fit and fine. Today we will be discussing a new chapter of general knowledge, that is chapter number 38, page number 44, awards in sports. But before that, many students have so many queries regarding the GK project. I am sure that you have already received the notice regarding GK project in your WhatsApp group. Don't try to find it in the website. You have received the thing in WhatsApp group, class group. So there are two options that I have provided. You have to choose any one that is clearly written in the notice, and you have to submit it within 22nd August. Okay, it is very easy. The projects are really easy. You can take help from the chapters mentioned in your book. There are chapters regarding branches of science. There is a chapter based on the monuments and historical buildings. So you can take help from those chapters, and you have to choose any one. Now the questions that I received during the live class of English 1, I want to clarify the things that about monuments. You can go for any monument. Okay, just take care of the fact that monument or that historical building that should belong to this world, our earth, not to the sun or any other planet or anything. Okay, just take care of this fact, nothing else. Any monument, any historical building that belongs to this earth can be included. Minimum 5 examples should be there, and maximum 7. Minimum 5, maximum 7. And someone asked me about the pictures. May I attach more than one picture for a single monument or for a single historical building? Obviously, if you can give that much effort to provide more than one picture for a particular building, for a particular monument, then very good. And you don't need to write a whole paragraph for each building, for each branch of science, or whichever the project you are going to choose. Just mention the important facts. Okay, mention the important facts. And the most important thing is, as you reminded me in the live class, all of you do not have your personal printers. Okay, so in this COVID situation, as you told me that we cannot go out again and again and take the printout of the pictures, so I have decided that the students who do not have a personal printer, you can make the project in your computer, and in future if I demand the hard copy, you have to take out the whole hard copy. You have to take the printout of the whole hard copy, the whole thing, of the whole PDF. But the students who have a printer at their home, a personal printer, you can take printout of the pictures and paste them on the paper and write things with your own hands. That would be great. Okay, that would be great. That's it, nothing else. I think everything is clear. And another thing though that is mentioned in the notice, I am repeating it here, that you are going to submit it through the link of the Google form that I have uploaded already in the under the section of project submission in the website. There is a button project submission. Go there and you will get the link there. Okay, and submit it through that link only. And if you face any problem, send me an email. Okay, if you face any problem, don't send irrelevant mails. Okay, now awards in sports, page number 44. I have provided the study material. Again, I would suggest you to pause the video and open the study material at first, and just check them simultaneously. Wait a second, let me open the study material. Okay, so was saying all work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. We all know about this. Sports is really important. Sports that is really important in our life. It emphasizes how important sports is in a person's life. Sports are played at different levels and are encouraged through means of awards. Obviously, an award is nothing but a token of appreciation. Obviously, when we achieve something, it is kind of an encouragement that yes, we can do it, we we can gain more, we can achieve more. Okay, that is the thing. Award is nothing else but a token of appreciation. Match the descriptions with the awards. Okay, number one will go with option number B, Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna. This is the highest sport award given in India for outstanding performance in any field of sports. So, Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award. Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award in sports and games is the highest sporting honor of India, awarded annually by the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports. It is the highest sports award for outstanding performance in any field of sports on international level competition. Since August 6, 2021, this is important, the award has been named after legendary Indian field hockey player Major Dhyan Chand and is now known as Major Dhyan Chand Khel Ratna Award. So the name has been changed in 2021 on 6th August. Okay, so this information is important, and obviously the information that has been provided in your book, you should go through them properly. I have provided very few questions in today's study material. You have a lot of things to do. The half yearly examination is knocking at the door. You have to make the GK project. That is why I provided very few questions. Only the important questions have been provided in today's worksheet, but submit each and every worksheet. There are some students who considered the previous worksheet, which contained 4 chapters, the questions from 4 chapters, as an exam. No, that was not an exam. Most of you were constantly avoiding the submission of worksheets and constantly neglecting the videos. So I decided to take 4 chapters so that you can revise things. You can get a chance to revise at least a few chapters. That's why I included them in a single worksheet. No exam, nothing else. Don't think that if I submit that particular worksheet, I do not need to submit anything else. No, you need to submit each and every worksheet as well as the project. You are going to get marks for that. Now, point 2. An Indian Sports Award given to a sportsperson exhibiting outstanding performance consistently for 4 years. It will go with option number E, Arjuna Award. The name is interesting, no? The Arjuna Award, officially known as Arjuna Award, is a sports honor of India and the former highest sport honor. The award is named after Arjuna, the master archer prince from Sanskrit epic Mahabharata, who is a symbol of dedication, hard work and concentration. The recipients are selected by Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports and are honored for their good performance in the field of sports over a period of 4 years. This is important. At international level and for having shown qualities of leadership, sportsmanship and a sense of discipline. So the time period is really important. Now, point number 3. This award is given in India for lifetime achievement in sports and games. This will go with option number A, Dhyan Chand Award. I am not reading this particular point from the study material again, because as I just mentioned just a few minutes ago, that Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award, this name has been changed into Dhyan Chand Award. So the things are quite similar that I have mentioned. Just go through it, you will easily understand this. The next one, point number 4. This title is awarded to outstanding chess players by the World Chess Federation. It will go with option number D, Grandmaster. It is a title, okay, it is not an award of which I could provide a picture. It is just a title, that's why you are not going to get any picture. The Grandmaster. Oh no, I have provided a picture. Wait a second. Yes, I have provided. Grandmaster is the highest title a chess player can attain, which is given by the highest governing body of chess. FIDE. What is the full form of FIDE? Federation Internationale des Échecs. Okay, this is the name. You just need to remember this. If the title of Grandmaster the whole life. Vishwanathan Anand was the first Indian Grandmaster, and currently there are 69 Indian chess Grandmasters. This last sentence is really important. Okay. Now the next one, I think, yes. Now the next one, Hi. This is an international award given to footballers for their excellence in the game. It will go with option number F, that is Golden Foot. The Golden Foot is the prestigious lifetime achievement award attributed every year to the players for their excellence in this game. It was created in 2003. Important fact, it was created in 2003 by Antonio Caliendo. This is also important. 10 nominees are chosen by a panel of international journalists based on the criteria that they are at least 28 years of age and still playing. Out of this list, the winner is selected by an online poll where anyone can vote. Cristiano Ronaldo is the latest recipient of this award in 2020. Actually it happened, and everything that I have provided about Golden Foot, you are going to get quite a few important things in this study material about Golden Foot. So this is important, you go through this particular point very minutely. Now next one, 6. This is an annual award given to the most outstanding football player at college level in the United States. Point number 6 will go with point number G. Heisman Trophy. Okay. Heisman Trophy is an award given annually to the outstanding football player at college level in United States as determined by a poll of sports writers. The winners of the trophy epitomize great ability combined with diligence, perseverance and hard work. The trophy was instituted in 1935 by the Downtown Athletic Club of New York City, and the next year was named in the honor of its first athletic director, John Heisman. Or it's Heyman, I guess, a player and a successful coach of the 1890s and early 1900s. Okay, this is also very important, and I think in here, I think the study material that I am going to that I am reading today right now, I will not provide it. Obviously, I will rectify the things. I think somehow MS Word has. I think some problems are there and the pictures got altered. Okay, you don't worry, the study material that you are going to read, I mean you are reading, if you are reading right now, that is okay, you don't worry. Okay, because I have not uploaded it in the school website yet, I will rectify it and then upload it. So the thing that you have received, that is okay, don't worry about that. The last one. This award is given to honor coaching in sports. It was first awarded in 1985. Point number 7, it will go with point number C, Dronacharya Award. Okay, Dronacharya Award is the highest sports coaching award in India. So all the things are Indian, but the previous one was it belonged to USA, I guess. Yes. Honor the sports coaches for their outstanding efforts to bring the best of sports individuals. The award was first given in 1985, which is important, by Ministry of Sports and Youth Affairs. This award is named after Guru Dronacharya. We have all heard his name. A character from Sanskrit epic Mahabharata, who was a master of military warfare and a preceptor of Kaurava and Pandava. So we got two things that belong to that. The names actually follow the mythological characters. One followed the name of Arjuna, and now this award follows the name of Dronacharya. This is interesting, and you can go through the pictures. those will those are interesting actually. That's why I'm saying this, and I hope everything has been clarified regarding the GK project. Those are really simple. Choose any one from the two options and just do it fast and submit it, nothing else. Okay, for now, bye bye. We will meet in the next class.